Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. This video I will show you beautiful room decoration, red color and blue color and beautiful room decoration I will show you. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful video and you can get the notification first. To start the video without wasting the time, you can see this first picture. You can see beautiful the red color light and all, and you can see the LED lights, the decoration and design very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the projector they are using in the wall. You can see the bed. You can see purple color theme, the lights and all very beautiful lights, good lights. It's also very beautiful. You can see the floor mat. You can see beautiful mat and all, good decoration and good design. It's also in black theme. Everything is in black theme, good design and decoration, looking very beautiful. Very good also. White color curtain also. It's also very beautiful. You can see outside also very beautiful decoration and design, very good looking. It's also very beautiful in red color bed and all, and looking very expensive. Where it is normal a small thin room, very beautiful. The curtain and all 14 girls, beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the blue color lights and all, very beautiful lights and all, looking very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, looking very good. In the bed you can see the cotton, you can see beautiful cottons and all, looking very good, very nice also. And this one you can see the white color wall, the mirror, you can see the lights, you can see beautiful lights and all, good lights, good decoration and design, looking very beautiful. White color. This one also you can see skin color, looking very beautiful, very good. And the mirror also, it is there, mirror, beautiful mirror. And the sides you can see lamp and all, beautiful lamp. This one also beautiful. You can see the large chair, you can see beautiful, looking very beautiful, very good decoration and design. It's also very beautiful. You can see the rainbow color lights and all, very beautiful lights, good lights, looking very good. And this one also you can see the up, you can see the LED lights and all, very beautiful lights, good lights, looking very beautiful and good. You can see the mirrors and all, and the lights, beautiful. This one also you can see the small boy. It is like very beautiful. It is very looking very funny picture, very beautiful. This one you can see the mirror. You can see the plants. You can see small plants and all, beautiful plants and all, looking very good also. In this one also you can see this one same like bamboo. I don't know what is this. Mushroom, like very beautiful, looking very beautiful. This one also you can see the decoration and design, beautiful design and decoration, very beautiful design and decoration. You can keep an expensive thing also. This is also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, the clothes, you can see the window, you can see beautiful window and all. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, don't forget to comment me down and press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching and have a